We use that toilet more than we should probably admit, but like, great toilet. Hello, hello. It's 7:45 a.m. We've been up for like 20 minutes. We did some morning movement, try to get our bodies working today. And then we discovered that there's no power. So we're gonna go sit outside, drink some coffee, and then a guy's supposed to come talk to us. And we're gonna order breakfast and maybe see about getting this whole power thing figured out. And then from there, our vague plan is to go and find a cafe, because last night Est finished editing a new vlog and the internet here cannot handle the upload that we need, so that's our first priority for the day. It's not terrible.
The homeboy just got us some breakfast. Looks like we've got omelets inside some unbuttered cold toast, some bread, and some fresh fruit. Before breakfast was served, we had to discuss who had diarrhea first, whether I went first and then Scott went on top of mine, or vice versa. Unfortunately, mine couldn't wait, so yeah, the power's still off, so that's what we have to deal with right now because we have Bali belly. So hopefully this food stays in there where it should, right in here. Okay. It's waiting.
We've eaten breakfast, the power is back on. We rested up, and now we're heading to find a coffee shop that hopefully has better internet in here, so we can get the vlog uploaded and get on with the rest of our day. Anything else to add?
I feel kind of sick and weak.
Yeah, that seems to be a recurring theme.
Here's to hoping we start feeling better soon, but for now, upload.
How big's the file?
How big's what?
The file.
8.42 gigabytes, my smallest one.
So unfortunately, the internet here isn't much better than our Airbnb. We've been here for an hour and a half or something, and we got like 15%. So we're sitting at a cool 21% on the video right now. So we're wrapping things up, and we're gonna go back to the Airbnb, and we're gonna keep our fingers crossed that in a few hours it may hopefully be uploaded. All the joys of the internet and uploading YouTube videos.
The joys. And I gotta get my bag on. It's pretty heavy, and with the big on the front. I've been having a hard time like lugging it over my shoulder. So watch my new technique. You gotta get the glutes into it. Oh, I just hit myself in the face. My glasses. Usually it's smoother than that.
We're now finished with our first Airbnb experience. It wasn't the greatest place, but for all intents and purposes, it did what we needed to do. And for like $22 a night, it's really hard to complain.
It had a good bidet, which
it did have a bidet, which we used. We used that toilet more than we should probably admit, but like great toilet. So now we're gonna go check out, and then I'm gonna call a driver hopefully, and we're gonna head up the road 5 kilometers to our next place, and then we'll get situated there. Hope that we can maybe check in a little bit early and see where the rest of the day takes us. But it's just after 12 now, so I want to get to there as quickly as possible because it's going to be hot outside. Okay.
All right, we're out.
Box and a cabinet that locks.
Double lock box. Nice big spacious bathroom. A toilet with a hose and a bidet. Hello. So we are alive again. We accidentally passed out when we got to the Airbnb and had like a unnecessarily long nap.
Yeah, especially considering we slept for more than enough time last night.
But it seems to be our thing when we get to our new place. We like to try out the bed by having a nap. So needless to say, we feel refreshed and great now, and we are just heading out to watch the sunset / maybe get food. We're still not sure yet. All in all, we really like our new place and our hosts, and all is well.
All is well. We are now finished with our We are now finished with our first air. Fuck you.